Well, again, ChoroQ collectors. So we have the standard line from '02, and this is, well, it does say '01 here though. So sometimes that is or is not the year. Anyways, it's number '02 in the series of regular standard ChoroQs, and it's a Toyota IST or IST. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So I never knew about this car, but looking at it, what it reminds me of is a Scion XA. I don't even think Scion's a brand anymore, right? But when they were a brand, I used to have a Scion XB actually. But I have a feeling this is that car from a few decades ago. Okay, and the casting actually is pretty accurate here. It's not foreshortened much because the car's pretty small in the real world. That's the back. Alright. Yeah, seems like a decent enough representation in toy form, that is. We got the standard 5 spokes here, and you'll see a really big metallic flake going on. It's a very metallic blue. Interesting how big the flakes are. Standard 5 spokes, obviously pretty good choice compared to those hubcaps there. Panel gaps here, pretty tight. Nice molded window details. There's a little fuel filler there. Clear headlights. The whole body is clear. You can see the motor there, and then they just paint the rest of it. So that's that little logo that matches that front photo. Got some vents here, but no additional paint, unfortunately. Alrighty, so I might have to add some paint later on myself. This side, no fuel filler, but it otherwise looks the same. Taillights are just a plain red. There's actually a Toyota badge, molded in. No paint though. Tells you what the car is and what number it is. Not sure why this would be the second one. I guess this must have been a really popular car in Japan. Alright, I'm going to swap the wheels here, so let me come back. So I just put some good old chrome Hot Wheels Real Riders steel wheels on here. And that's good enough. I'll add some paint details later, but even if I add black to the front, well, I guess you'd see it. It's kind of hard on a dark car though. Anyway, here's a couple other small cars here by ChoroQ. I have this thing called a Daihatsu Boon. It's actually similar in styling. But not similar in styling is a Mitsubishi i-MiEV. And then the Subaru R2 with some 3D printed wheels. And then one of my favorites is a smart car with some Hot Wheels Real Riders. I just really like small cars. They're goofy proportions, and then in cartoon form even more so. There we go, top view. Let's get this guy spinning over here. And today we have an alien stalking you out at the gas station. Why won't you focus? There we go. Excuse me. Alright, so it's an okay casting, I think. It's just not the most arousing car, I guess. It's definitely lacking some print details, I think, but it is just a standard ChoroQ, so. Okay, well thanks for watching today. I'll see you the next time. Bye.